Kevin, split-second decisions made with an animal's life in the balance.
A farmer in Bartholomew County knew he didn't have long to rescue a newborn calf before the ice underneath the animal gave way. And tonight, for the first time, we are hearing the story behind that daring rescue attempt. RTV6's Chance Walser has the story.
Just 3 days old and already a near-death experience for this little brown calf.
You don't want to lose any animal, period, to drowning or any way other than what you're raising them for.
But drowning was a real risk after the newborn slipped through a fence and found out in a hurry that he couldn't walk on the ice of a nearby pond. When the calf's owner, Kevin Mahoney, learned of the stranded animal, he attempted rescue from the shoreline, knowing he couldn't risk walking on the ice himself.
Took a rope and stretched it across the pond.
But the rope wasn't long enough. Kevin needed help. It came when Bartholomew County Sheriff's Captain Chris Roberts got there.
We pulled out some rope that I have, about 300 feet of rescue rope, and we attached theirs and was able to pretty much connect with the calf.
As if I was taking the calf right here, if Lucy was the calf, the rope caught it up under here, although it was laying down, and they just pushed it out of the ice with that.
Kevin's wife recorded the rescue with her cell phone.
Thank you, guys.
The 70-pound animal was off the ice, but not out of the woods. With its body temperature critically low, Kevin carried it inside to warm up. Then, a happy ending. Calf reunited with mama cow. Too anxious to wait any longer, she hurdles a fence, determined to keep her little one close. Chance Walser, RTV6.